Psalm 100 verse 2, worship the Lord with gladness, come before him with joyful songs. Nehemiah 8 verse 10, do not grieve, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. John 15 verse 11, I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be complete. Romans 6 verse 17, but thanks be to God that, though you used to be slaves to sin, you have come to obey from your heart the pattern of teaching that has now claimed your allegiance. Philippians 4 verse 4, rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. Psalm 119 verse 14, I rejoice in your statutes as much as in riches. 1 Thessalonians 1 verse 6, you became imitators of us and of the Lord, for you welcomed the message in the midst of severe suffering with the joy given by the Holy Spirit. Colossians 3 verse 23, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. Psalm 19 verse 8, the precepts of the Lord are right, giving joy to the heart. Isaiah 55 verse 12, you will go out in joy and be led forth in peace, the mountains and hills will burst into song before you, and all the trees of the field will clap their hands. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.